Safety of passenger cars has gained more prominence in India lately. Every new car that's launched, everyone wants to know how safe it is, what's the crash test rating, or whether it has an ISOFIX seat mount for a child car seat. Now, we all know that ISOFIX is basically an international standard for attachment points for child safety seats in cars. And there are quite a few cars in the country which offer it as standard equipment. And here are the top 5 subcompact SUVs offered with ISOFIX seat mounts under 12 lakh rupees. The Mahindra XUV300 is one of the safest cars in the country. The subcompact SUV has secured a full 5-star rating for adult occupants and 4-star safety rating for child occupants when it was crash tested early last year by Global NCAP. The SUV packs safety features like 7 airbags, ABS with EBD, disc brakes all around, hill start assist, speed sensing door lock, front parking sensors, and much more. Mahindra offers ISOFIX child seat mounts as standard fitment across all 4 trims of the SUV. The Tata Nexon was the first made-in-India car to score a 5-star safety rating at the Global NCAP crash tests. And since then, the SUV has become quite popular among Indian buyers. The Nexon gets safety features like dual airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability program, hill hold control, and more as part of standard equipment. And yes, ISOFIX anchorage points for child seats are also offered as standard on the car. The Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza is again one of the safest cars from Maruti Suzuki with a 4-star safety rating at the Global NCAP crash tests. The Vitara Brezza offers ISOFIX anchors for child seats across all 4 trims of the Brezza. The SUV is also equipped with dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, hill hold assist, and more. The Hyundai Venue was the country's first connected subcompact SUV with the brand's BlueLink system. It is also one of the most feature-loaded offerings from Hyundai. It comes with several safety features like 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, vehicle stability management, hill start assist control, electronic stability control, and as for child safety, the SUV also gets ISOFIX child seat mounts as standard across all variants. The Nissan Magnite is the latest offering from Nissan in the highly competitive subcompact SUV segment. It comes equipped with several standard safety features like dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, seatbelt reminder, anti-roll bar, and rear parking sensors. Apart from the base XE trim and XL petrol manual, all variants of the Magnite get ISOFIX child seat mounts as standard.